Hello, my dear.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Xin chào.
Chính chào.
Have you eaten your dinner already?
Yes.
What did you have? What did you eat?
Eat water and meat.
Oh, what else?
Yeah.
Oh, how about rice? Did you?
Yes.
Okay, so can you say I ate meat?
I ate meat and water and dry.
Okay. You mean I drink water?
I drink water.
Okay, very good, my dear. Okay. So did you play today? Did you play with your friends? Or did you go to a nice place?
Yes.
Oh, that's fun. Very good. Okay. Oh, before we start our lesson, we will review first. Okay, we will see if you remember our previous lesson. Okay, oh, where is... Okay, my dear, do you remember who is this?
Is Sam.
Okay, how about this one?
Is Sam mother.
She is...
She is She is Sam's mother.
Very good. How about this one?
This is Sam's father.
Very good. How about this one?
Is the baby.
Okay, this is...
This is Sam's mother.
Okay, here again. Who is this?
Is the baby.
Very good. And this one, who is she?
She is Sam's sister.
Okay, and remember is her name is Jill. She
Her
is
name
12 years old. Okay, can you say it again, my dear? Her name is Jill.
Her name is Jill. She is 12 years old.
Okay, how about Sam's cat? What's its name? Okay, its name is Chippy. Its name is...
Its name is Chippy.
Very good. Okay, let's go to... Okay, let's go to the next family. Okay. Oh no. Here.
Here.
Okay, let's see if you remember them. Okay, who are they?
They are family Lucy.
Okay, Lucy's family. Okay,
Is okay.
they are Lucy's family.
They are Lucy's family.
Okay, who is he?
He is Lucy's father.
Very good. Who is she?
She is it Lucy.
Very good. Who is she?
She is Lucy's mother.
Very good. How about him? Who is he?
It is Lucy's brother.
Very good. And his name is Tom. He is 7 years old. Okay, can you say that?
His name is Tom. He is 7 years old.
Very good. Who is this?
She is Lucy's grandmother.
Very good. And the last one, who is he?
Lucy is the grandfather.
Okay, and here, the dog. Okay, the dog's name. Okay, its name is Bouncer.
Yeah.
Its name.
Its name is Bouncer.
Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, clap, clap, clap. Okay, now let's play a game. We will play a game, and this is fun. Okay, we'll go to our new lesson. Okay. Can you read this for me, my dear?
Lesson 3. Family and friends.
Okay, now let's go. Let's play a game. Oh, we will sing a song first. Okay? Okay, we will listen to a song.
Okay.
We will listen to a song first. Okay, where is the song here? Okay, let's listen.
Get off your bum, get off your seat. Wave your arms and stamp your feet. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Wiggle your ears and wiggle your nose. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up and go crazy. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Hop, 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 hop. Flap, 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 flap. Fly like a bird, bark like a dog. Stand on your tiptoes, go for a jog. It's time to wake up, wake up. Stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down. Stick out your tongue and dance around. Show us your guns, I know that you got 'em. Bend your knees and wiggle your bottom. It's time to wake up, it's time to wake up and go crazy. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Hop, 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 hop. Flap, 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 flap. Fly like a bird, bark like a dog. Stand on your tiptoes, go for a jog. It's time to wake up, wake up. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Hop, 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 hop. Flap, 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 flap. Fly like a bird, bark like a dog. Stand on your tiptoes, go for a jog. It's time to wake up, wake up. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Hop, 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 hop. Flap, 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 flap. Fly like a bird, bark like a dog. Stand on your tiptoes, go for a jog. It's time to wake up, wake up. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Hop, 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 hop. Flap, 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 flap. Fly like a bird, bark like a dog. Stand on your tiptoes, go for a jog. It's time to wake up, wake up.
Phục của con trai mình rồi đấy. Yên tâm, tôi không trốn đâu.
Okay, my dear. Did you hear the song, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, can you say jump, 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 jump?
Nhum 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 nhum.
Can you say clap, 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 clap?
Clap 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 clap.
Can you say fly, 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 fly?
Fly 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 fly.
Okay, very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, high five. Now let's play a game. Okay. Here. Let's stick on the butterfly and you answer the question. Okay, number 1, butterfly. Oh, teacher here has also butterflies. Okay, what's the color of this butterfly?
Is yellow, is và and black and
Yes.
red.
Very good. Good job. Okay, now let's play. Let's stick on the butterfly. Okay, number 1, butterfly. Okay. Okay, my dear, can you read this for me?
How many brothers has Lucy got?
Okay, what's your answer?
8.
Yes, 1 brother. Let us see if you have the correct answer. Very good. Okay, now you have your yellow butterfly. Okay, good job. Now another butterfly. Number 2 butterfly. Dun, 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 dun. Okay.
3 pairs is D.
B,
Yes.
a fish.
No. It's
Okay.
D. D.
Okay. What's D?
A cat.
Okay, let's see if you give the correct answer. Dun, 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 dun. Very good. Okay, another butterfly. Her teacher has another butterfly. Here, what's the color of this butterfly?
Is là xanh lá là gì nhỉ?
Green
Yes.
and white and black. Okay, okay, now we have a new butterfly. Okay, let's go back to the game. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, number 3, butterfly. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, my dear, what's the question?
How many people are there in Lucy's family?
What is your answer?
One, two, three, four, five, six.
Oh,
Six.
very okay. Let's see if you give the correct answer. Another yes. Okay. Oh, another butterfly. Here. How about this one? What is the color of butterfly?
It's pink and black.
Okay. Or you can say it's purple. Purple and black.
Right.
Okay. Again, purple and black.
Purple and black.
Very good. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, number 4. Where is number 4? Or here. Okay, what's the question?
How old is Tom?
What is your answer?
Is 8.
He is.
He is 7 years old.
Very good. Okay, let's see if it's a check. Yes, very good. Oh, another one, butterfly here. Okay, what's the color of this butterfly?
Is màu tím. Is
It's big.
black.
Yeah, what is it?
Black.
Yes, black. And how about this one?
Black, white, and black. Yes. Yeah. And green. Hình lên từ đây.
Okay, another one, number 5. Where is number 5? Okay, here we go. Okay, what's the question?
What Lucy pet name?
Okay, what is your answer?
Is C.
Okay, let's see if you got a check. Very good. Okay. Oh, I have another butterfly here. Where is it? Here. What is its color?
Is yellow
Oh.
and white and brown and black.
Yeah, very good. Good job. Okay, my dear. Now another one. What is the number 6? Okay. What's the question?
How many sisters has Tom got?
What is your answer?
Is
He has.
she has
He has.
He has one.
Okay, let's see if it's a check. Oh,
Oh.
okay, let's find the answer.
Two.
Oh, 2. Okay. Okay, so another butterfly for you. Here. What is
Is glass and
blue?
blue and white and black.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, so let's go here and number 7. Okay, that's the question.
Sam sister Jean is yeah. Oh,
Okay, what's your answer?
it's B.
Yes, okay, let's check yes, very good. Okay, I have here another butterfly. Here. Oh, it's small. It's a small butterfly.
Is a red, black, white, and yellow.
Yes, this is baby butterfly and this is mommy butterfly. Oh, where is it? Oh no. Yes, mother butterfly and baby butterfly. Okay. Okay, my dear, very good. Good job. Okay, next. And the last one, number 8.
Sam got a pet cat. His name is Chippy.
Okay, let's see. Very good. And I have the last butterfly. Okay. Here.
The blue, yellow, and black.
Yes. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes. Very good, my dear. Okay. Clap, clap, clap. High five. Okay. Very good. Now let's go to language practice. Okay. Can you see? Can you put circle on the clocks? Where?
Clock.
Yes, where are the clocks? Can you put circle? Okay, for example, okay. The other one. Where is very good. Okay. How about this? The second one.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. Yes.
Okay. Is there another fish? Okay. Oh no. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oh no. Where is the other fish?
Mm,
Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4,
four,
5. Okay. 6.
no,
Where are the other? Oh, here. 7.
4,
And the last one. Oh no, where is the? Oh, here. Yes. Okay. 8. Okay, my dear. So, how many fish are there? There are.
there are 8 fish.
Very good. Okay. 8. Okay. How about the next one?
But
How many boys are there?
what?
How many
2,
boys? Okay, yes, 2.
3, 4,
Oh,
5,
oh no, here, it's a girl.
4.
Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Only 4. Okay, this one is a woman or a girl. Okay, so how many boys are there in the picture?
4 boys in my picture.
Very good.
There are 4 boys in the picture.
Okay, so 4 boys. Okay. Next. Oh no, again 8, 4. Okay, next. How many houses are there in the picture?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, they are the same. Okay. Oh, I think this is only one. Okay. So it's again
6.
1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
and 6. Okay, very good. Okay, again 4 and 6. Okay, can you say there are?
There are 6. There
How
are 6 houses in the picture.
houses? There are 6 houses in the picture.
Yeah.
Okay. There are, again, my dear, there are.
There are 6 houses in my picture.
Okay, house. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's say this.
Houses, houses.
Houses.
Okay,
Houses.
very good. Okay, again, there are, where is it? Okay, there are.
There are 6 houses in the picture.
Okay, houses. Okay, again, my dear. There are
six houses in my in the picture.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one. How many windows are there in the pictures?
In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. But I think it's only 13. I think this one is the same. Where it's okay. I think this is not considered as a window. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. 11, 12. Okay, and 13. Okay.
But
So there are 13.
yeah,
Okay, there are 13.
there are 13 windows in my picture.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, my dear. Clap, clap, clap. Good job. And high five again. Okay. So it's time now, my dear, and we will continue this in our next class, okay? Teacher will give you another homework assignment, okay? I'm sure you will enjoy your assignment. Okay, my dear, goodbye. Happy evening. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.